Oi, it's Brookman Gaming. We're here today to another Let Us Play on the ZX Spectrum.
My name's Barry Marwick.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
I'm a new
Yeah,
person. My name's
This
Douglas Churchill.
This is my boyfriend.
Right.
Yeah, we started dating the other day. My name's Douglas Churchill. I'm from Scotland.
Yep.
You don't
You don't
sound
really
very
sound
Scottish to me.
I'm trying
don't
to
look-
sound real Scottish, but I'm having a good time.
Yeah, that's alright, mate.
I'm from Edinburgh, Scotland.
That's pretty nice.
We're gonna be
pretty
playing
nice.
some Manic Miner.
Right, yeah,
Sort of-
turn the music off.
Certified specky banger right here.
Certified bleeding in my ears here.
I don't know. I was pretty big on the Spectrum growing up.
Good old specky.
Hey guys, what's the 26th letter of the alphabet?
That would be Z, mate.
Z?
Yeah, that would be Zed. That would be
Okay.
Zed, mate.
I got into a fight with some Americans the other day about it. They was all like, no, it's pronounced Z. And I'm like, that's stupid. How can you
yeah,
pronounce
yeah.
it? I'm like,
In the bloody President's English, maybe.
but then I met another British person, but then I met another American, and she was like, no, I think Z sounds better, so I'm gonna pronounce it Z.
Yeah. I
That's
mean,
a white
stupid
culture one.
Americans.
It's the right cultured one there.
Yeah, she
It's
seemed
so-
very cultured. She was like, Z just
Cul-
sounds cooler, so
well-
I pronounce it like that.
Culture's for an American, anyway. As we all know, Americans don't got no culture.
I like
Oh, she
being gay.
agreed. Oh, she agreed that the Americans had no culture.
The
I
only
like being
culture
gay.
the only culture in America is hip hop music. Nothing else.
Did you guys know that I'm a big fag?
Yeah.
Right.
And I'm proud of it.
God damn it!
What's,
Wait, is this just the Nutcracker?
Possibly.
what's your guys' thoughts on the game Arctic Attack for the
This
ZX?
song sounds very familiar. It just sounds like the Nutcracker.
I love Arctic Attack.
Arctic Attack is probably my favorite game ever made.
I'd say it's up there for sure.
Do you guys want to meet my brother Donald at some point?
I would like
Perhaps.
to meet Donald Churchill.
Hey, he's my brother. He's my twin brother.
I would like to meet Donny Boy.
Only I'm allowed to call him Donny.
Oh, I
Why
apologize,
is that,
mate.
mate?
He calls me Dinky
Oh.
and I call him Donny. Why did your character just die?
Is
What's
this
wrong,
is
mate?
this a railroad game?
No, this is by Bug Bite Software.
What's this game called?
Manic Miner.
I don't think I ever played Manic Miner growing up.
Oh, it's your
I never
bloody loss,
had.
mate.
I actually had a Specky growing up.
No, I totally had a Speccy. That was my favorite thing to play on. A lot of the games were pretty fucking mean though.
This music is making me sick. Jesus
It makes me
Christ.
feel sick too. Though, at least the Specky had my favorite game on it. Underworld.
Any of y'all ever play that Highlander game?
I did play it. I
It was
thought it was
right,
pretty
it
good.
was right
I did play
minging,
that
mate.
game before, yes. Yes, I did. I do remember playing that.
It was
I remember
right
playing it,
minging.
too. What was your guys' thoughts on the game Underworld made by Ultimate Games? So later became Rareware, but I don't really like anything they made
Oh,
after.
that is a bloody good game. I love it.
I do too.
If I'm being
No.
real, mate. If I'm being real, I think Underworld's bloody minging.
What's
Yeah.
wrong with you?
Well, why'd you think that?
Ow.
Why do you
not-
think it's
you know what?
minging, Kelsey?
You know what? Let's just boot up. Let's just boot up Underworld.
I'm ready to
Alright,
see,
mate.
I'm ready to see why you think it's minging.
Wrong button. Here's why it's minging.
Okay?
It's a bloody disaster.
It's better than Banjo-Kazooie.
No, let's not get carried away there.
alright.
Banjo-Kazooie is one of the best British games ever made.
No, it's not for the ZX Spectrum.
No. Let's be real, mate.
Yeah.
You don't beat Banjo-Kazooie.
What are you talking about, mate? You do beat Banjo-Kazooie.
I did
No,
beat
I'm
Banjo-Kazooie.
saying you don't beat Banjo-Kazooie because there's nothing
Oh, I
better.
thought you were talking about, like, it doesn't have an end game. I thought that's what you meant.
Are you stupid, mate?
It's stupid. I swear to God, Percy, you're a fake British person. It's pronounced stupid.
Stupid. What's your thoughts on the shit game Star Fox Adventures?
No, I actually like that game.
Why?
I don't know. It was the first game I played when I realized I was gay.
Why would you play Star Fox Adventures when you could play better games? Like,
Look at this, mate. It's right minging.
why would you do that when you could play good games like Jet Set Willy? The Way of the Exploding Fist?
You better shut up
Jack.
before I smooch you.
1942.
I'm going to smooch you.
Horace Goes Skiing.
What are we playing? Some Dynamite Dan?
Dynamite Dan. Chicken Chuckle Egg. Jetpack. Attic Attack. Adventure 1.
Oh, that's a very lovely looking chap there.
Black Crystal. Deflex.
Kind of reminds me of John Lennon. Very handsome.
That's my favorite, The Hobbit for the ZX Spectrum.
There's a Hobbit game on the ZX Specky?
There is a Hobbit game on the ZX Specky.
Oh. I would like to play that one day. I love The Lord of the Rings.
Did you like the hit movie The Hobbit?
I do like The
No.
Hobbit.
I don't much care for The Hobbit. I thought it was right minging.
I went to the
Shut the
first
hell up, Percy. You're just so contradicting just to be contradicting.
No, I agree with him. I thought it was a bad movie too.
Oh,
I thought
bloody
all
hell.
of them were bad.
What do you guys think of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire?
I don't like Harry Potter because it was made by a turf.
It was made by a what?
A
Oh.
turf.
Well, I like me some Harry Potter here and there.
I can't like it because Harry Potter is a turf.
Well, I think, you have to, what the bloody hell is this game?
Well, it's Renegade, mate.
Renegade? You never played Renegade before?
No. It looks like I beat him up.
It is a beat 'em up.
Like Streets of Rage.
It is like Streets of Rage, but better.
Like
Yeah,
Fight or
it's on-
Fight.
Cause you can play it on good old Specky.
Yeah.
I want to play more Specky.
What if my ZX Spectrum peed?
Now you're just speaking random random.
You sound like a bloody
silliness.
American, mate.
I'm sorry, I was spending some time with the
It's
Americans.
sounding very silly.
They must have worn off on me a little bit.
That's quite concerning, you know. I mean, might have to break up with you. Just kidding.
How'd you do that?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, mate. Bloody hell, I'm just kidding.
Well, Douglas, if that's even your real name.
How do you know it's not my real name?
I think I've been calling you
You're
John on
lunch.
accident. I apologize. I'm a fake boyfriend.
Just a
Maybe
hunch.
you are.
Got we test for you? Got we test for you, John or Douglas? What you
What was the question?
what you ate for breakfast the other morning?
Croissants.
Oh, you like some croissants? I like the
Croissants.
French too.
Croissants.
Yeah, I have croissants for breakfast.
Croissants. I am bloody Frenchy, mate.
No. And I had an English muffin as well.
An English muffin.
Oh.
An English muffin. Hey, let me
Got some
look up.
beans and toast.
Let me look up English muffin. Right.
I had some Scotch pie as well.
Let's just give him the benefit of the doubt.
English muffin. An English muffin.
He's as UK as UK gets. Let's just give him the benefit of the doubt.
I had a square lawn sausage, link sausage, fried egg, streaky bacon, baked beans, black pudding, and more eggies.
Are you just looking this up on Google?
Bloody hell. You call a muffin an English muffin, you bloody wanker. What are you doing with your time?
And toast. Well, I'm
Bloody hell, right? You're making it very obvious that you're reading this off of Google Images, or Google Image, no, a Google research.
I just told you the most basic Scottish breakfast you could get.
Yeah,
You call a
bloody
muffin an
Googled it.
English muffin, you're like a bloody yank, mate.
That's because I'm from Scotland. You want to go back to my house and have some haggis later?
Oh, that does sound quite nice.
Yeah. I just say
Yeah.
Bloody hell. We don't call them English muffins in England, because we're not bloody American. We're English, you bloody blighter.
I'm a
Oh,
Scottish.
no. Calm down there, Percy.
I'm Scottish, not
I'm bloody at it with you.